straight bars. We record?
Yeah.
I'm an animal, coming at these niggas like I'm Hannibal. Aiming for their neck, hit their cantaloupe. Niggas know I spit poison, get the antidote. My nigga city next to him, I'm the man to know. Come to see me in the corner for a gram of dope. Yeah, I'm flexing, I got a gram of soap. Yeah, see me walking through hand to hand, smoking the kush, I stay gram to gram. Always stay flyer, niggas know that you coming through, you're a liar. Talking about you was getting bricks in, bitch when? Yeah, I was on the corner pitching. Yeah, you know I stay with the K, right? College student shorty come through for grades, right? Niggas know KD, I'm working my J right. But niggas know y'all niggas got stage fright. G-Way right. Niggas know when we come through, make way right. Niggas play this to the left, so we move way right. And we like a family, so you know that we way tight. And the beat come way back. Niggas know when I came through like Ajax. Yeah, way back. Niggas know when I came through like Ajax. State facts, niggas state facts. I said Ajax, yeah, that's a main fact. Because I fucked up, but it's a freestyle, so that's tough luck. Yeah, if it's a freestyle, you gon' fuck up. If not, that's a written nigga. And I ain't bitchin', nigga. I'm on the clock, bitchin', nigga. Niggas wanna see me, I'm working, I'm a different nigga.
My niggas is born horses. Run up on your ass something like the corner store. My niggas wanna talk shit, you don't know me. Get your ass served like a motherfucking hoagie. I'm probably with your hobie where I'm supposed to be. Matter of fact, I'm choking these little fucking broken seats. These niggas wanna talk shit, they on my checklist. Had these niggas breaking like a fucking fake necklace. Y'all niggas 2 carrots. Matter of fact, y'all looking like bunny rabbits about to starve your ass with 2 carrots. Matter of fact, y'all talking shit like 2 parrots. Matter of fact, I'm a Jordan nigga, so watch how air it. So careless the way I rap on the track. I'm T-Rex the way I stretch up on your back. And I ain't got nails, but I got hammers. And I done been locked in jails, nigga, lock slammer. And I don't give a fuck about you, nigga, fuck the camera. And I don't give a fuck about you, nigga, fuck pajamas. Cause I'll put you in the sleep in the clothes you wearing. And I don't give a fuck about the hoes you carrying. Y'all niggas wanna talk, but these hoes can't compare them. I'm Buck City, the beast, nigga, I air them.
Arrow, nigga. Arrow. Arrow.
Straight up, nigga. Get your weight up, nigga.
You already know.
You know what it is, you entertainment in this bitch.
Now we about to really go.
Shout out my nigga Buck City.
Shout out my nigga Flex.
Shout out my nigga Gator. We in this bitch.
You already know, man. We gonna get into something.
You know, catch us in you on YouTube, G-Way, ENT.
Listen. I'm not shy when the light come. I tell shorty you can meet me when the night come. Yeah, you had your fun, you had a nice run. I tell your shorty she can meet me when the night come. My mama told me I had all you my bright son. Yeah, I'm the future, that niggas all losers. And plus I got a Ruger 16 go through ya. Guarantee I hit your ass. If I hit your ass, you know I'm coming through to get the cash. Sammy Sosa, but I'm pitching fast. 160 on the dash, that mean the whip is fast. And if you do that in the rain, that mean your whip will crash. I'm running the spotlight. These niggas know me. You shorty know my cock right. And you know, I gotta go and get the flow. Pick and roll on your bitch, I like to switch the hoe. And I like to pitch the dope. Crackers like to diff the dope. You know we like to pitch the dope. Shit like a brick of snow.
And back in days, yeah, we pitched the dough. Kiss your bitch with the feather, mistletoe. And when I say the feather, I mean that thing that make your thing cold, from the cold sweater to the hot leather. Y'all niggas talking bullshit until your ass get popped with a bull with it. Niggas can't fuck with my dog, cause why though? Cause my niggas will come in your kick though when your eyes go. Niggas can't fuck with me, I hit you with that side blow. Yeah, nigga, shine, nigga, it's my glow. What?
Side glow. I hit you shorty with the side glow. And I never ever talk with the 5-0. I'm not Rick Ross, nigga, this is my flow. I get nice though, this ain't a body shot. Niggas know if I'm snitching, then I'm probably shot. And if your ass out of pocket, then you probably got. And if your ass is on the top, then you probably hot. And if your ass is on the bottom, then you probably not. Don't get mad, this a body shot. Listen, it's like Pilates class. It's like karate's class. The way I bend and fold, you flipping bitch, you know I gotta grab the titties and the ass. My nigga City brought the beast out. Now you know I'm off the K to leash out. And then I'm gone, nigga, peace out. Niggas know I got my jeans and I got the crease out. Hide your sister and your niece now, because I'm sexy, kinda handsome, can't test me. And I'm Gretzky, sliding on the hoes, but you see me when I'm cutting and I'm nodding on these hoes. And I'm Dragon Ball Z, sliding on these hoes. Goku, Super Saiyan, see me flying on these hoes. And you know, we always roll piff. And we got gold, and we like bricks, and we like hoes, and we got piff. So if you wanna roll up, we can match it.
What? Now I got the hoodies on. Call me Santa Claus, cause now I brought the goodies on. The niggas can't fuck with me, dog. You can't tell. Had your ass set on fire like you in the Bronx tale. I hate you been with that door luck. I told you Buck City, yeah. I got hands, niggas can't floor buck. Niggas wanna talk, man, I got hella haters. Y'all niggas better get in line, better get on elevators. Niggas standing at the top, that's where I'm at. I'm Buck City, Derek G, raw with a back. I crop you in your cranium, so where your brain at? Buck City lit, nigga, tell me where your lane at. I rupture that shit right with a semi truck. I'm Buck nigga, I'm hot nigga, you semi butt. Y'all niggas half-ass. I'm Buck City, I shit up on the track, you just pass gas. I devour the shit, hour shit. And matter of fact, dog, I put my snout on the shit. Y'all niggas is pigs, y'all niggas is pork. Matter of fact, I'm about to eat on y'all niggas. Give me a spoon and a fork, a knife and a pill. Matter of fact, I'm going to grill. Niggas wanna talk shit, you better grip on the wheel. 2 hands up, Buck City gon' stand up. Nigga wanna bet money, put your 2 grands up. And matter of fact, bet your life, put your 2 mans up. And matter of fact, bet your 2 feet won't stand up. I love your ass in the bottom of the ocean, nigga, with the fishes. Sleeping with a couple of you and your bitches. And I don't give a fuck about who was up in the ditches. And niggas talking shit, but I don't fuck with none of them snitches. And still going, still flowing, y'all still hoeing. And matter of fact, dog, I'm still going, I'm still chosen. I'm feeling like God, nigga. Like I came out like baby Jesus. Y'all babies really fucking need us. I mean, your bitch ass fucking like a fucking visa. Nigga wanna talk shit, I'll slice his ass like a fucking pizza. Y'all niggas don't know that, dog. Buck City, I'm a beast, I'ma show that, dog. Y'all niggas ain't know that you owe that, dog. I done sold work from Knicks pounds to O's that, dog.
Listen, I got green, you don't know that, dog. I got your shorty in the back and I like that walk. She said she like I'm up north and she like my talk. She like my swag, that mean I got the bag. Listen, I got bitches, I don't got the brag. Oh, niggas know I got the flow for 06 to 2013 though. I keep going.
Let's stop there real quick though. Stop that. Bring it back. Stop the video. That's one video.